What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing y'all a quick tutorial on how to restore and enhance public domain photos. I had a video on this previously where I covered 3 sites on how to find and download public domain images, but I was given a suggestion for a new video where I get a little deeper into the restoration and design process. Shout out to ArtsyAspen for that suggestion. And I'm going to just jump right into it, guys. In this video, I'm going to be utilizing the metmuseum.org site. I'm just going to take you guys on a quick walkthrough on how to find these public domain images. First, you go under art and you go to the Met collection, and then you get the search bar, right? And in the search bar, you are just going to put public domain. And from there, it will take you to the different categories of the public domain images, right? And you'll be able to find images by the object type, the geographical location, date, era, and the department, right? So for the images, for the image I'm using for this one, I went under Asia. I just like some of the tapestries and the design, and I know I would have found something that looked weathered and aged. So it's up to you what you find. This is just for anyone who might be interested in an image they found, but it had like a old weathered look to it. This is just how to bring it back to life and give it some, vibrancy, and you should be able to utilize it for whatever you need it for. Especially if you're trying to, take it out of that look. If that's the look you want, then you take it just as it is, and you can use this to take the images right from this site and download them. So you just click on the image you want, and then it'll let you know if you can download it. And once it has the download button, you download it, goes right into your download folder, and it gives you the description, the era it came from, and that type of thing, all right? So we're just gonna just jump right into it, into the image that I took. You wanna duplicate it. So you'd always have the original, just turn that off, and then you'd have the ones that you experiment with and move on from there. So I am in Photoshop, and one of the first things I go and do here is go to image adjustment, and I like to mess around with the vibrance and the color balance. So let's do vibrance first. All right. Saturation. Not too bright, but you definitely see a change. You see the blues and the colors starting to pop a little more. Just turn it all the way up, see what's going on. When you start turning it all the way up, sometimes the background could get a little, you see some of the stains of the background pop up too much. So you want to kind of be cautious with that as you're doing it. I think that could work right there. Let's stick with that. I like the way these blue flowers and starting to pop right there at the bottom. Now I'm going to duplicate the original layer again and turn off the vibrance. Let's do vibrance right here. Because sometimes if you're going, you could forget what you did. So this will be color balance. C and B. Let's go here. All right. I'll go back to image adjustment and color balance. And now see what's going on here. See if we get. I might have named it too quick because I don't even think I'm going to use color balance. I don't like, if I just want to make any one of these colors pop out more. And let's go. Whatever I decide to go with, I'm going to name it that. Hue and saturation. Do like the way some of the Reds there is popping. Let's name that here. Duplicate again. Let's try brightness and contrast. Okay, definitely want some of that black to pop. So now we're gonna multiply. I'm gonna add some layer effects. Maybe not multiply, but see what's going on here. You definitely want to experiment and just go through some of these different effects depending on how old the image is you bring in from the public domain. Some might need little touch-ups here and there, and some might need like a full restoration, and I'm definitely going to do a video on that, on a full restoration. I'm going to bring in some more images that are more weathered and even older than this one. So I'm gonna leave that normal. Now I'm gonna go to this one. Just trying to get a rich color. Kind of feeling the overlay a little bit, and then you can change the opacity. And I wanna keep the blacks. I like the darker black pigment here. So I'm gonna go to the magic wand tool here. Where is that? Right here. Alright, contiguous is off. So that means once I click on the black, it's gonna select every black. Let's turn the tolerance up to 100. And then it'll find all the black. Let's deselect. Once I click on this color here, it's gonna find all the black. I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna show you here. Let's turn this off. Once I paste, deselect. Once I paste, it's gonna paste in place. It took all the darker tones and placed that. So now, once I turn on my colored layers, the blacks are gonna be real black and the colored layers will be more colorful, right? And now, you can move this layer down here. I don't need that anymore, actually. That could go in the garbage. And I'm just gonna show you if I turn off the black. So now, it's not much of a difference. So I'm gonna duplicate the layer of the blacks, and now we are gonna multiply that and get the blacks real black. There you go. Now you can see the difference even more. Take that down a bit. Instead of grouping these layers, I'm going to merge them, and then we'll be able to just clean it up a bit. I think it'll be better to clean it like this. Just gonna delete the edges. There you go. And you see the difference? It is a night and day difference. I don't think this needs much more. It's vibrant. It's brought it back to life. This is my version. This is the original version. Definitely my version is up to date. The original version definitely has a weathered feel to it. And the thing is, you can repeat steps, you can multiply, you can try to get it even a little more. I don't really think it needs to be more vibrant. I'm kind of liking the way it is, but that's when you get into personal preference. And let's try see if we can do like vibrance and see if that would add a different. I think it's up to you as an individual artist to figure out when enough is enough. And that was a quick tutorial on how to restore and enhance public domain images. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Leave a comment. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.